going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in. We are back here in my 2006 Nissan 350z, and as you can tell, the sun is actually on its way down right now. It is Wednesday night, 61 degrees. I could not help but go for a drive, and we're basically, I think we're on our way to Starbucks right now because I was craving a caramel macchiato. So that's basically what we're on our way to do right now. And then this video, like I said, is gonna go into the night. I'm gonna be testing out like the night footage or how this GoPro films at night. I'm not quite sure. So hopefully the low light is pretty good. We're gonna find out in this video. Like I said, we're on our way to Starbucks right now, and then I did want to talk about a few different things with you guys today. The last few videos I posted, there was some controversy, so I wanted to talk about that for a little bit. And then I also have some different plans and mods for this car that I've been thinking about doing, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna let you guys know about some of those, and we're just gonna hang out, basically. Oh man. See, the worst thing about this situation right now is that light down there is green, and this is red, so you know that that one's gonna turn red right when this one turns green. All right, let's get it, let's get it. No way, it's gonna stay green. That never happens, you guys. That never happens. Hi, can I get a...
Okay, venti ice caramel macchiato.
Can you do an extra shot of espresso?
Yes, all right, it's gonna be $6.75.
Oh, boys, we're about to get zapped on caffeine right now. Extra shot of espresso. I'm gonna be up till 3 a.m. editing this video tonight. All right, cheers. We got our drink. Too many shots of espresso, you know. The first sip is always like pure coffee. Oh God, gotta mix that up a little bit. You guys straw it? Is that bad to straw it? It's a paper straw. Give it a little mix. Sheesh. But, oh, sheesh. Turbo kit? Oh God, I'm gonna scrape. We didn't. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Life hack, if you don't want to spill your drink, you know, I mean, it doesn't work perfectly, but you know, it's a little bit of resistance. It helps a little bit. Check out what we found. Oh. That was awesome. I'm not gonna lie, I shifted a little early. All right, let's get out for a second. Let's do a walk around of this thing because, I mean, why not? In this lighting, you can't not. You guys, I just wanted to say, hopefully the wind's not too bad. I have the wind noise canceling off, so hopefully it's okay. But geez, this thing looks insane. I just wanted to say, with that race with that 370, I hope I didn't let the 350Z guys down because I'll explain it in a second. But all right guys, let's go drive. It's basically dark now. I mean, it's not like 100% dark, but it's like 80% dark. Let's go for a drive. What I basically mean about letting the 50Z guys down is if we rewatch that clip, you can see I shift way too early. I think I shifted like 6K for some reason when I could have gotten this thing all the way up to like 7,200. You know, I'm just being safe on the motor, I guess, but I mean, I wasn't expecting this car to be faster than that 370Z, but it's pretty cool to see how they stack up. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go this way. We're gonna get onto the main road. Okay, so I wanted to talk a little bit about my video where I canceled my deposit. I understand that I upset a lot of people, and I seriously apologize for that. Like, I guess a lot of my reasons didn't make sense, especially, you know, him calling it the 400Z didn't really, that wasn't a really good reason to cancel my deposit because everyone, it kind of makes sense. Like, I understand, like, there's people saying that he could have called it seriously a chicken sandwich and they would have dropped their $1,000 deposit. But I do think my other two reasons where this is not on a for sure list, and I was gonna kind of wait for more information to come out from Nissan because I do still feel like it's a little bit early in the process. So I do just want to apologize really quickly to everyone I may have upset because there were some people that were saying that like there was 7 minutes of their life they're never gonna be able to get back. So, all right, let's go this way. Oh, a little bit of rubbish. nothing but red lights in this town, I'm telling you. But we got our Starbucks right here, you guys. Hopefully the low light isn't too bad. It's not like 100% dark out, but I don't know, any darker than this, I don't know if it would be very good, so. Just gonna get over here. I'm gonna try and stick around a lot of these street lights because over there it kind of gets really dark. So another thing I wanted to talk about is actually my upcoming videos. I have a few mods I want to do to this car. A lot of actually body mods type of things. It's not a wide body kit. Oh goodness. Yo. It's not a wide body kit. That was a police officer. They always see the GoPro and they always are like, is that a GoPro on that guy's head? Oh, okay, he left. All right, we're good. So back talking about those body mods. I'm super excited. I've actually been in contact with Efren over at the shop. We're gonna hopefully finish up the Z, you guys. Like, we're gonna get the door fixed over here. We're gonna buff everything else that needs to be buffed. And we're gonna make this thing 100% done because that's really where I want it to be. And then we can clear bra the whole front. So once this thing is completely done, I'm gonna be super psyched. All right, so I'm gonna jump back out onto the main road. I don't know what percent my GoPro is at. It wasn't too charged when I grabbed it, so hopefully we got some battery left. I just looked at my GoPro and it has 3% battery. So this video is literally just gonna randomly end and I'm gonna drive until it ends. I'm gonna try and get like 2 or 3 more like gnarly pulls in here before the video ends, just because might as well, right? I mean, like, there's nothing else better to do, right? But we're stuck in traffic. It doesn't seem like that's gonna be possible here. So, all right, we flipped it around. Let's get some night pulls before the GoPro dies. Yes. I mean, she just rips at night, you guys. In the cold, 350Zs just run so well. I'm impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Obviously, we didn't do very much. I went and got my Starbucks, which I need to keep drinking because honestly, I forgot I had this Starbucks just now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Can we make it? I'm going. We made that. We made that. If you guys enjoy the nighttime stuff, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely make more of these videos. I honestly like driving at night. It's kind of more, it's kind of fun, and I don't feel as weird driving around with a giant GoPro on my face because no one can see me. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.